Hello everyone, today in this video we will discuss how to install Zoom on Samsung Galaxy A57. Let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Here click on Play Store app. After click on Play Store app and click on search and search Zoom. Zoom. After search Zoom, so you will see click on Zoom and click on install. If you want to install Zoom, so you will see Zoom is installed according to your internet connection. After install Zoom, Zoom is showing on your app screen, so you will zoom from here. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can install Zoom on Samsung Galaxy A57. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.